Hello guys, welcome again to this Canva designing class. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your text or images, and also I'm going to teach you how to add transparency to your images or to your text. So stay with me. For you to duplicate a text, all you have to do is to highlight on it. Then you go to this place that there is a copy sign. Then you click on it. It will now be doubled. Then you carry the other one to where you want to use it. I normally use this when I don't want to go back to the text to take the command to command type. So I easily duplicate, then change the text or the writing, then later on change the font and color. So that's how I normally do. So you can just change the size, change the color and everything. So that's how you can easily duplicate to save you time of going in and out of the gallery to take the text or to take picture. Okay, that's how you remember. I am just using this to show you example, just this simple thing. All you have to do is to understand my explanation. So I don't want to use a fancy design to explain all this. So that's why I'm using a very simple, so that I'll be going straight to the point. So the same way that you duplicate your text, you can also duplicate your image. You can also duplicate your image, and to do that you will have to highlight the image that you want to duplicate. When you also go to duplicate, that's the duplicate sign there, and you click on it and you will duplicate it. Then after that you can increase or decrease depending on how you want. So I will still use this opportunity now to teach you how to apply transparency. Sometimes you see two pictures on a design. One is faint, is not showing well, while the other one is showing very clearly. So this is how they do it, using transparency. So you highlight the picture, then you go to where there is transparency. You can see transparency, then you start reducing it. When it is clear, it is 100%. So you start reducing it until your desired percentage. So now, as you can see, I have reduced the transparency. You can see it's now transparent, to be as if there is a mirror. That picture is at the back, so you can even see your write-up, can see the other picture and everything. So you place it there, align it the way you just want it, then that is how you can put transparency. So let me still put on this one so that you can see. All this one is just, I'm just using it to teach you how you can put your transparency. So you still duplicate it and take it to the position where you want it to be. Then you highlight it and you also go to transparency. Go to transparency and bring it down to the desired percentage that you want. You see, so when you are seeing, you see it has added beauty. It has added beauty to the designing of this page. Now, as you can see, is more better than how it was. So that's how you can be able to do it. So remember, we learned about how to duplicate both text and the picture, and also how to put transparency on your design. So please, let's meet in the next class.